What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be talking about what the hell is var, let, and const and how to use it. Let's get into it. So firstly, let's talk about what a variable actually is. A variable is a way of storing data values such as numbers, strings, booleans, as well as null and undefined. Or you can store nothing and just have it as placeholder so that later on you can define it inside of your code. So all variable declarations are scoped. That means that if you have a variable declared outside of a function, then you can use that variable anywhere inside of your code. Or you can call it globally scoped. And the other one is locally scoped, which means that you only define it inside of a function and is only available for use inside of that function. So this is an example of a global scoped variable where we can access the variable hello inside of any function that we want, because it is outside of any specific function. So right here we have variable hello is equal to hello world, and it is called inside of hello function, and it changes the value from hello world to changed hello world, and we console log the value of hello, and we can see that the value will be changed to changed hello world. So in this example right here we have a function called hello function where we are creating a variable called test, and we're giving the value of test in quotes, and we're just calling the function right underneath that. And below the function call, we are console logging test. Now this will not work because the test variable is actually outside of the scope of where we're calling the console log. So if we were to move the console log inside of the hello function, then it would work. So that covers var, but var has been out of date since the update. So now we're going to talk about the new boys on the block, let and const. So let is the preferred way to create variable declarations for variables that we will want to change the value for. The variables can be updated but not redeclared. So in this example right here, this is showing the wrong way of updating a let variable, where we have let test is equal to test, and then right below that we have again let test is equal to hello test. This will not update it properly. Both let and const variables are block scoped. So if you don't know what block scoped means, it basically means anything within the curly braces is a block of code. So variable declared in the block with let or const is only available for use within that block. Cool, so that covers let variables. Now let's talk about const variables. Const variables are variables that will not be able to be updated or redeclared, and just like let variables, they can be block scoped as well. So that covers what var, const, and let variables are. I know I just went over a brief overview of what they are and how to use them, but I hope this video helps you out. If it did, be sure to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.